Uh-oh. Oh, no, yeah, okay, he's gone. Oh my goodness. Bro, what did I hook into? What is going on, guys? Welcome back to another River's Edge. So again, I'm here with Matthew. It's a Friday and we decided to come out here on this reservoir. So right now it's pretty interesting. Only this section of this reservoir is frozen. The rest of the reservoir is like open water. So it's pretty interesting. We don't know how thick the ice is, so it's kind of like sketchy to go out as far as we can. We got life jackets with us just in case something happens, but we hope nothing will. But yeah, guys, so today our target is gonna be like perch, trout, maybe even crappie, and bluegill, maybe those as well. Matthew's already going out to grab a spot to fish. We have a fish finder with us, so it shouldn't take long for us to find fish if there is any fish out here. If not, then we're just gonna go explore around the reservoir, fish other spots maybe. So yeah, you guys stay tuned. Let's do some fishing and let's try and catch them. Okay, we got about like
3.5 inches,
something like that. It's not too deep. Slick ice.
So don't sprint for like a minute. I know it's not that much of a loss, but oh, 20 feet, baby.
20 feet, good. Okay.
I wonder if there's any fish.
So we'll make a couple more holes, throw out some rods if nothing happens.
So I went to that, like, you see how the ice line is?
Right.
Went around there, started popping a little bit more. So
That's like a huge crack right there,
I think it's, yeah, don't go there either. That's
one.
yeah, you see how some of it's dark or cloudy, some of it's not?
Right.
Pretty sure the cloudy stuff is good, and then that stuff is not.
Okay.
Yeah. The hard part is not slack. That's a little thicker.
A little. I'd say like 4, 5.
Should be.
Okay.
If we need to punch more holes, we can, but some spots is thicker, some spots is...
Yeah, right, but we gotta find the fish first, so.
Well, we're gonna fish here. If we don't get bites for a solid 30 minutes to an hour, we'll start punching and go somewhere else. We'll try to cross to around where they are.
So the plan here is I will start jigging while he sets up the rods out here. I mean, I told him I could help him, but he wants me jigging first so that we can find the fish. We're setting up rods everywhere, setting them with different depths everywhere, and yeah. So right now, I've been jigging for like 5 minutes now, and nothing has shown up yet. But right now we'll just set up all the rods. If nothing happens, we'll move locations. But it seems like where those guys are, they're doing pretty okay at the moment. Got him? Oh no! No! Oh, bro, this sucks. Okay. I don't know, it looked kind of big. Maybe trout. Oh, that sucks, guys. We just the first one.
Yeah, I had everything except for perch right on the bottom, and all my trout are literally right off the top.
Okay. Okay.
which is dumb.
Right. Right.
Last year, this time, none of this was froze over. I was catching 50 a day out of my boat.
Really?
Yeah.
Well, yeah, boat. That I usually come down here on the boat for crappie. Crappie are pretty
I
good.
like crappies.
Yeah.
This is the best time to get the perch because they're coming up to spawn.
Exactly.
The
Yeah.
ice right now, it's.
It's not. It's making some funny sounds.
I mean, I was at 30 feet on the far one out, so I assume he's probably at 40.
Right.
He's getting more bites.
Do you know how thick the ice was where you were at? Is it like same thickness here?
No.
No.
Where I was at was like 2 or 3 inches.
Oh, geez.
But
This is like
good.
3-ish.
Yeah, it's good ice.
Yeah.
I mean, it's probably not a whole lot different there.
All right.
Alright, good luck.
Thanks. You too.
Pack, unpack, and pack, and get out of here.
All right. Good luck, man. All right, guys. So we got a trout here. Got one trout.
I won't take the saw over there. I'm just gonna have him saw the whole thing.
All right, guys. Look at this. We got perch out here. We went further out from where we were, and we found them perch. I just caught one. I wasn't recording, sadly, but. Дальше, yeah. The further, guys, so the further you go, I feel like that's where all the fish are gonna be at. Uh-huh.
Oh, right there. The snow geese we were talking about.
Da-da. So they're literally like sitting right on the bottom. Oh, here comes a fish. Here comes a fish, guys. There's a fish right there. There we go, guys. Fish on. Fish on. Feel small.
Ну дають, га? А звірявся! Я в шокі, dude! Turn me the
I'm gonna let him go.
Yeah, whatever.
Alright, there he goes, guys.
You might get a little frustrated.
Alright, guys. Found the fish. We're gonna do some actual ice fishing.
Alright, real ice fishing.
Let's go. So guys, if you haven't met Ded Vasya, that's Ded Vasya right there. He's one of the biggest fishermen in the Slavic community. And he yells a lot, but that's not because he's angry, it's because he's excited. And the way to impress this guy is to catch a big perch in front of him, so let's see what we can do here. Oh, хорошо! Oh, they got worked? Right. Biggin? There we go, guys.
Dude, oh my goodness. Get that on video.
Let's see you pulling them out. So guys, these perch are suspended pretty deep. Oh, it's a trout.
Oh, frick.
It's a trout.
Nice. 3-pound test, baby. I don't know if it can fit through the hole.
Давай. We got a trout, guys. Oh, no.
Frick me, dude.
Dude, no. That sucks. It happens, guys. He the trout started spinning around and his line got caught up on the edge of the ice and just snapped him. So, not much you can do now. Oh? Yeah. Keeper? Alright. Okay guys, there's a perch for you. Look at that, guys. Perchy. Alright guys, I'm gonna make something to eat because I'm getting hungry. Gonna go ahead, if you guys don't know, I'm gonna make like a spread with chicken breasts. All you do is just throw some tomatoes, some green onions, some mayo, and it turns out to be like a chicken spread that you just put on a Ritz cracker or something. So open that. All that chicken here. I was about to sit down. Throw the fish on.
Did you grab my chair? Just make sure it doesn't fly.
Feeling like a trout.
Yep.
Yep, trout. What up?
Whitefish.
A whitefish?
What the
A whitefish? Really?
Grab my chair! Eric! You had one job! I'm like, that's a nice fish. Why is it not biting my spoon? That's because it's a whitefish.
A whitefish, guys. So there's a sucker fish, a whitefish, we have a trout, which we didn't catch, and then we got perch.
We got hit a couple times and something's just running to it right now. Oh my goodness.
You got him again,
Dude,
dude, that's crazy.
The way it was acting, chasing after me.
Yep, I saw that. That's trout.
Did you take out the transducer?
Yep.
The trout. Not very big.
Oh.
Yeah, I got off my chair to reach the transducer and pull it out. And my chair just went.
And your chair's all the way there with your seeds, bro.
I kind of want to go get all the other stuff. Just set up like tip-ups and jar jars. And then go get another chair.
Like the whole sled?
Yeah, whole sled with the saw, and then just make some holes there, and then
We could do that.
better chance of catching more trout and more perch.
We could do that.
If you lose that gosh dang trout, bro,
How am I gonna look?
I will literally drown you in that hole, or I'm gonna make you go get my chair. One or the other. You
Boom,
decide.
guys. Trout? Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Oh,
Oh, don't touch the light, please.
I'm not touching the red. I'll get him for you. Just fight him.
Yeah, perfect. Oh,
Look at this guy.
way up high.
Way up high.
Really.
Guys, we got some nice trout cruising around in this reservoir too. So we're on. It's about time. We are on. Let's go. Looks like a good perch. Perch. Here we go, guys. Oh, let's go. Got ourselves a perch. There we go, guys. Perch. Perch off the ice. This is my first decent sized perch. Bro, did we catch every single thing?
Almost. Except catfish and bass.
Catfish and bass. Check it out.
Crappie! Oh, dude. Where's the perch? Give me the perch. Jeez, dude. It was alone. There's no school, so.
It was alone.
Yeah, there's Eric. That's Idaho is trying to speak down.
Hey, hey! Alright guys, I think I have a good perch on here. Oh. I don't know.
Yeah, big. Seems like a trout to me.
On perch?
No, it's definitely trout.
Yeah.
Bass? Sucker? Sucker fighting like that.
Uh-oh. Oh, no, yeah, okay, he's go. Oh my goodness. Bro, what did I hook into?
Right on the bottom. Trout might have been a sucker. I'll find out real quick though.
Shoot. Oh, suckers do run like that.
Yeah, they're. I mean, I saw the head shakes. It seemed like a trout.
It could be either trout or a sucker.
Or you might have just got a monster trout. Sucker. Catfish? Catfish?
Yeah, no, I think this is
Dude,
sucker.
this is a monster
I think this
fish.
is a sucker fish, bro.
Oh,
I think it's a sucker because
Yeah,
I remember how suckers fight, bro. This is how they fight.
it's fighting like a sucker.
It's
so-
staying at the bottom too. That's
Yeah, let's see if it'll be dead.
shit. Wow, this is sucker. If this is a trout, bro,
This is
okay.
a monster trout
Yeah.
or a monster sucker. Catfish? Flathead catfish?
A sturgeon?
I mean, yeah, I don't think
Oh crap! I don't want him.
Oh, giant trout, dude. Holy crap, dude.
Oh.
We're good here. Yeah, you wanted a trout, Eric? Right here, dude, on the bottom, baby. On the
Okay,
bottom.
I'm gonna try to be careful here.
Yeah.
I'm afraid because that. Oh shoot!
Yeah, no, you're good.
I'm afraid that.
Yeah, this right here is really. It's
Yeah.
not too sharp.
Oh!
Eddie! Trash, dude.
What was I supposed to do in that situation,
I don't know.
bro? Oh, man, that is such a.
He was 20 bucks. Oh, man, that's how we caught today.
Why you have to do that to me? Alright guys, I'm gonna go cry for 2 hours and then I'll come back.
Nice.
Alright guys, so we blame that hole.
Right there.
We blame that hole for losing the trout, so I'm gonna make a new one. Chair after the wind took it all the way across the ice. Let's go, dude. Alright guys, so check this out. Here's some of the perch that we just caught. Pretty good sized perch. I'm gonna say here's my hand, here's that perch. Pretty nice. So yeah, my GoPro died. I can't really record right now, so I'm just doing an update on my phone of the perch. So this hole produced these three, and then the rest are just catching on and off. So yeah. All right, guys. Here's our catch for today here on the ice. We have a mixture of perch and trout, and then we have a whitefish as well back here. That's today's catch. Been here from like 10 in the morning to up to 5. So yeah. Alright guys, so we're off from the ice now, and we're gonna be chilling here. We're gonna make a fire, cook up some glizzies, have some food while we're at it, and then we're gonna cast out some rods, maybe see if we can find trout swimming about. Yeah, we're just gonna enjoy until it gets dark, and then we'll go home. So what I'll just cast the spinner around for a little, since I already have it on here, this spinner right here. And if there are trout lurking around here, maybe they'll pick up this spinner. So let's just give it a shot, I guess. Fish. There we go, fish, guys. Yep. All right, worm and marshmallow always do the trick. No, he's a little on the smaller side actually. Yeah, he's on the smaller side. I didn't get that on film though, that sucks.
Oh my goodness, dude.
Bro, that's...
Bro, brand new rod. Don't buy laser sting speed stick. Trash, bro. Literally second time ever using it. That's the kind of fish you catch out here, eh?
Okay. Yeah, she set the hook and he just snapped his rod in two.
Dude, brand new. Second time ever using it. And it just breaks.
Here we go, guys.
This is a scam, dude.
Look at that gorgeous silver trout.
I don't know, like 16, 17 maybe. Nice fish. It breaks!
Man, I'm so sad I wasn't recording, man. I would have got that whole scenario, bro. If you just like, he literally, bro, I don't know why, you just fell back. You literally, when you set the hook back.
Broke! I thought I set the hook and I'm good, but it was like, boom. Bro, what? Whipping. Trash. Don't, yeah. And you put that in the video. Where me saying don't buy the loose stupid crap. Yeah, don't, yeah. $50. It's literally a $14 rod away. From Walmart. Ozark Trail. It's got Carpet House Canyon. It freaking caught a steelhead. Jay caught a steelhead on that rod. And this thing, $50. Good brand name. Well, second.
Well, boys, that's what happens. It happens to the best of us. All right, guys, so just if you guys want to know what the rig is here, I'm using the weight, sliding weight up to this thingy. I forgot the name of this, I'm sorry. I should remember it, but I can't. So, and from there I got like 1.5 feet of line to a hook, medium-sized hook, and all I'm doing is just throwing a worm on here and some marshmallows and just casting it out, and the trout will pick it up once they see it. So all right, and we're just gonna cast it out there. Got one. Okay, fish on, guys. Fish on. guys, we were just chilling up in the truck, watching our rods, and wham!
Got the chow, baby.
Yeah, this one's a pretty good one, I feel like.
Right there, he got 3 more to go, baby. Eric's redeeming himself with a decent stop.
Oh, actually,
As long as he doesn't leave.
why am I?
Not terrible. Not terrible.
Alrighty, let's go.
Do as you.
Drop.
Alright, we didn't need to move my rod over here.
Check it out, guys. Trout number 2 from this spot. Grab that worm right there. All right. So we're taking home fish. I think what I'm gonna do with these guys is I'm gonna throw them in the smoker and smoke some fish for us. These are really good eating trout. We usually come here we usually come down to this reservoir to keep trout because there's a lot of these guys out here. Like legit, you guys do not understand how much trout there are in this reservoir. All right, guys, we're gonna make a fire and just chill out here, listen for the rods because we have bells on them. We'll listen if anything happens. But yeah, I think it's gonna get a little too dark for me to keep recording, so I guess this is our outro. So until next time, you guys take care. Bye.
Bye.